Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and go to this link. Now I will provide this link in my description below. After that, click on PC Health Check. Click on complete download. Click on to check now. Click on download now. Now complete download Windows 11. Click on to yes. When it complete 100%, then automatically restart your PC and then install your Windows 11. So that's it. So that's how you can easily update Windows 10 to Windows 11.